Hello, yeah. So this is Amay here, and we are doing Lab 5 or CPE 187. So here we need to calculate the area of a rectangle. So what we are doing here is we need to check this four conditions, that is length should be less than 3, width should be less than 3, length is greater than 20, or length is width is greater than 20. If any of these conditions satisfies any one, then the result is 0, otherwise you have to multiply and return the result, right? So this is been written here and the area has been printed. Now let's go into the simulator mode, as we say. So I think it's already in the no, it's not in simulator mode. Okay, so it's in simulator mode now. Just let's go to start debugging it. Yeah, so let's check it. Yeah, and now just grade it, so it will take all the parameters. See, and with 100 it's possible, right? It's positive, like it has covered all the test vectors and it satisfy all the conditions. Our design is proper. So now let's come out of this mode and now let's go to the debug mode. So in this debug mode, what we need to do now, we need to here we have to configure our virtual COM port for this. I hope we have already did for that. And now we have to open the display, Texas display, to check whether our grading on the real board is proper or not. For that, just we have selected the COM port, and now just press on the EDX. So this is our second part. So press on EDX and just grade it. So it asked us to press the reset button on the launch pad. I will just press the reset button. Yeah, and our grade is 100. So we could say, right, ki it's been proper. And yeah, and our third part was, now let's go back and see what was our third part. uh, yeah, so we have seen, like, key first we have done in the simulation mode, our grader has given 100. And we have also seen like yeah, and we have also seen on the real board as well. So after that, what our task is to, we have all done this. And uh, so here the function calculate area being called, so it's basically a call by value, not call by references, because we just need to pass the values and we have to calculate it and return it. So we don't have to pass like a reference or address. So it's basically used in swapping, but when it comes to, we just wanted to evaluate it, right? So we can pass directly. And the next question is to, like, what are our actual arguments and formal arguments. So let's come into the code and let's, I will tell you where exactly it is. So consider, so here when our function has been called, right, so these are our original length and width which we are taken as an input. So these are actual arguments which are passed in the function in the main. But when you come to the function, so these your arguments are these arguments are formal arguments which we are using. Yeah, so it is basically a call by value in this case. And yeah, so that sums up my lab 5, and thank you.